So in this example, we're asked to solve this system of linear equations, and obviously these two equations are in standard form, although this one has yucky fractions. We could multiply through by 12, which would be the least common multiple of the denominators. And if we do so, we would get 4x minus 9y equals negative 60. So we'll work with that form of our second equation. No fractions, that's always lovely. And then work with the given form of the equation in the first. Well, what you notice when you get rid of the fractions here in the second equation, you have the exact same equation. A is 4, B is negative 9, C is negative 60. That means they are the exact same line. That means those lines are lying on top of one another, which is why we have infinitely many solutions. And what we say then is that this is an example of another type of consistent system of equations. Consistent means they have at least one solution. Obviously here we have infinitely many solutions.